have snow and chairlift spinning. Last week's storm delivered 10 to 15 centimetres of snow down to 500 metres, and now Cardrona has McDougall's Chondola and McPark open. Coronet Peak has Coronet Express open, and their first night ski is tonight. The Remarkables has Sugar Chairlift and Alta Chairlift spinning. And opening weekend last week really captured the excitement of the start of the season, and it just feels good to see the mountains coated white. And some predictions are saying that we're going to get more snow on Friday night and over the weekend, maybe even 20 centimetres. Kia ora, I'm Nick, and welcome to the Queenstown Wānaka Weekly Mountain Update. To Cardrona Alpine Resort, we are reporting from here today, and as you can see, the combination of the new natural snow and plenty of snowmaking has transformed the mountain. McDougall's is spinning and the learners area is all operating, as well as restaurants like the Noodle Bar and McDougall's Caravan. Cold overnight temperatures have meant that the snow has been in good condition on piste, and the park features up here are really fun. And there are family activities happening in the courtyard during the school holidays too, with colouring in and face painting. To Coronet Peak, well, they are coated now with Coronet Express and Meadows chairlifts both now being open. This means top to bottom skiing at Coronet Peak, ideal for first tracks, which is from 8 AM until 9 AM every day, and also night ski. That runs Wednesday and Friday nights from 4 until 9 PM, and it starts tonight. And as a bonus, they have the next 3 Saturday nights coming up, also open for night ski. And on Saturday, July 4th, they have a kids' day out with animal balloons and face painting, as well as bouncy castle. To the Remarkables, well, they now have Alta Chairlift and Sugar Chairlift 6-seater now open. Plenty of intermediate terrain up there, and super cold temperatures have meant cold wintry snow on trail. That means that those first corduroy laps of the morning have been prime time. The terrain park team have put in a huge effort as well, and it is looking fun up there with a selection of rails and boxes. To Treble Cone, we'll keep a close eye on Treble Cone this week as the resort is prepped, and they'll be opening as soon as nature allows. They will be looking very closely at this front that is coming through on Friday night, with some solid accumulation expected over the weekend. So make sure you check out the Treble Cone website and stay connected to their socials. But to the next 7 days, well, a large high pressure system is currently delivering beautiful, cold, frosty bluebird days. And this is set to continue right through until Friday, when a massive front is going to hit from over the Tasman Sea. And this is expected to deliver up to 20 centimetres of snow across Friday, Saturday, actually through until Sunday and into Monday next week as well. So keep a very close eye on those weather models into next week. So that's us for this week's Queenstown and Wānaka Weekly Snow Report. Until next Wednesday, I'm Nick, signing off from Cardrona Alpine Resort.